Looking to build a HiFi system? Don't know where to start? In this film, we're going to give you a quick rundown of all the units you might want or find in a HiFi system. Okay, let's get started. The beauty of a HiFi system is that it's built using individual units, or separates, so you can tailor it to your needs. Instead of doing lots of different jobs, each HiFi separate focuses on one specific task when playing back your music, giving you a much better end result. When building a system, think about the format of music you listen to the most. A common misconception with HiFi is that it's just for playing older formats like records and CDs, but they're also a great solution for your digital music files and streaming services. Once you've selected the source of your music, it's time to look at the amplifier. Depending on your exact requirements, there are different types of amplifiers, but we'll talk about this in more detail in another video. Whichever one you go for, think of the amplifier as the beating heart of your system. This beating heart delivers the power that drives your music and is where you control the volume. The last piece of the puzzle is the speakers, where the sound of your music comes from. You don't need to invest in hefty speakers for room-filling sound, so think about your room size before choosing a pair. But we'll take a closer look at this in another video. Finally, you're going to need cables to connect everything up. Don't forget, speaker cables can be purchased in pre-cut lengths or cut to the exact length required. So, we hope we've answered some of your questions on what makes up a HiFi system. For more information on the units we mentioned, check out our other films or visit our website. Happy listening.